Hi everybody, it's Dr. Hydro here. So it's kind of a gloomy, overcast day, but it's perfect for me to be outside and putting things into my brand new 3-rail 21 plant holder that I made all by myself with these 2 hands. You can do it too. Just get familiar with PVC, plumber's weld, circular saws, whole bunch of other stuff. So maybe just watch a bunch of videos first. I'm gonna be planting stuff in here today. So I have an egg cart that has about 18 plugs in it with seeds, my rock wool cube plugs. I planted some seeds in them about 12 days ago and they've sprouted and they are ready to be transplanted out here. I also have some cuttings from the grocery store like mint and basil that I want to move out here, and I'm going to be doing that today. So I'm going to be filming this for you to see how I get this thing ready for my plants. Stay tuned. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to dump out this water that I was using to test my system, and I'm going to fill it with nutrients and make sure that it's properly pH'd, and then I'm going to cover the whole reservoir so that rainwater does not continue to get inside of there and mess up all the adjustments that I'm doing to my water. My bucket's dirty because I didn't really care about what was in it since it was just a test, so I'm gonna wipe all this out and make sure that it's nice and clean. All right, we got our water. All right, let's start nutrifying. All right, so we've got a 5-gallon bucket, and on the back here, I'm gonna make this for general purpose, mild vegetative. So 1 per gallon, so 5 teaspoons of the green, 5 teaspoons of purple, and 5 teaspoons of pink. Shake the green. Get your dropper ready. And let's go. 2, 4, and 5. Give it a rinse. Next one. I'm getting down to the bottom, so I need to pour it into a different container to measure it out. So 2, 4, and I'm putting 6 because I messed up. So it should have been 5, but I put 6 in the 3 series. And then we're gonna do 5 of this. 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. Give it a stir. So now I know what's in this bucket as far as nutrients go, and now I'm going to adjust the pH in it. So I'm using my brand new Blue Labs pH pen. We are at 6.7. I want to take it down to about 6. Grab your pH down or whatever you're choosing to adjust your pH. Some people like to use natural stuff. And grab your little plunger, and I'll start like this first. I don't pour from the bottle because you run the chance of going way too low, and then you have to, kind of adjust it again. It's just a pain. So little by little. 6.4. So I'm going to do 1 more plunger, and then I should be in the range that I want to be in. All right, that's a much better range. I'm getting to 6. Yep, I'm at 6.1. Perfect. I'll keep it there. All right, so let me put away all of these ingredients that I use to adjust the water, and I'll be right back. All right, so let's move this bucket where it needs to be and figure out where I need to drill my holes. So I need to be right here, and I'm actually gonna have to get another piece of pipe to extend this because it's a little bit too short to reach my bucket, which is fine. I think I got a piece right over here. Now, as you can see, this piece is a little bit too long for what I need, so I'm gonna cut it. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna go grab those PVC cutters. I'll be right back. So let's take this one out. And I'm gonna make it be about, I don't know, a hand longer than this one. And yeah, that's what I'm using to measure. All right, so PVC has really cool, it's useful. It's not cool when you wanna take it off, but it's got letters printed on it, and sometimes instead of getting the measuring tape and I want to eyeball it, I just use the letters on the PVC pipe to kind of eyeball where I want to cut. Ta-da! Get that in there nice and tight. And then, like I said, I'm missing a hole in here. I need 2 holes. So I'm gonna go ahead and drill one now. And I think I'm gonna have it be just like right across from the other one, kind of sloppy like. So I'm gonna cut it right here. All right. And that's it, it's done. There we go. And then for the pump, all right, let's lift this up. We'll feed the black tube in through the top and drop the pump to the bottom. Drop it in and close the lid up. I will hammer this in later. So now let's run it and see how it goes. All right, let's watch this pink water start filling up. And it'll be pink because of the nutrients I put in there. Not sure if you guys can see. And it'll go down here, and then down here, and return back. So once it fills up to a certain point, it's gonna drain back down so that it doesn't overflow. And that happens with all the pipes. They flow downward when they get to a certain point. And this is not going to be running all the time. I don't like running electronics appliances all the time. It's not necessary. And when the pump is off, the plant's roots are still going to sit in a couple inches of water, so they'll stay nice and wet. And I'll set the pump to recirculate the water every couple of hours for about 30 minutes so that we can flush out the nutrients and get fresh nutrients to fill up the device. So there you have it. It's gonna be great. 21 plants. So now that I know that it's working, I'm gonna go inside and take all of the stuff that's on my my indoor planting garden thingy and start moving it out here. Stay tuned for that. All right, well, I have to fill up that very top row, and when I'm done, I'll show you how it looks. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.